The gated Carriage House community describes itself perfectly. Classic, elegant, timeless, and cozy. And this beautiful new listing at 6166 Chaise Court is no exception. Here are our top 5 noteworthy features that make this home feel like new while still honoring that old Southwest Reno charm. Number 1. A dramatic staircase and cathedral ceilings with expansive windows showcasing light and bright feel. Number 2, deep red brick fireplace for those chilly fall nights. Number 3, a functional floor plan appealing to many with the primary bedroom, kitchen, living space, and outdoor access all on the entry level. Number 4, numerous upgrades throughout like the kitchen countertops, cabinetry, pendant lighting. Upgrades done in 2024, like new AC, a new furnace, new water heater, new interior paint, expanded and updated LED lighting, a new refrigerator, microwave oven and dishwasher, updated electronics, and a new irrigation system. And number 5, perfectly situated to capture expansive views of the valley and mountains while being minutes to town center, golf, shopping, and the best school district.